Yeah, hi, morning Scott. It's Mark at FMAV. You sent me your laser for the Beosound1. Just to let you know that I've done that for you. It's all working there, as you can see. Yeah, the CD's a little bit wobbly on top there. Alright, it's nothing to do with your part or anything. It's just I've put a bit of tape on because on these they haven't got the special like lid top magnets, whereas they have on the the clampers. But yeah, there you go. Look, there's your part there. Working fine without any faults, errors or anything. So let me just jump up there on a track so you can hear that playing away there. Yeah, so there you go, Scott. Thank you very much for your business. Really appreciate it. Once you get your unit and you're happy with it, please leave feedback for us because it does help others to, understand that, there is a little service out there that can help you out. Also, of course, you've got a 6-month warranty, okay, on parts and labour. So if you do get any problems, I'm more than happy to help you. I would never leave you in the, hanging or anything like that. And, we always return your calls as soon as we can. So yeah, like I say, you've got a 6-month warranty. All we ask for is postage if you ever get any problems. But yeah, thank you very much, and I'll get it off to you Monday morning, so you should have that Tuesday. Please let me know when you get it and you're happy. Thank you.